Devine, CEDIA 2024. You're standing at the AVPro Edge booth. Thank you so much for tuning in here. I'm here to show you something that's pretty damn cool. We are taking a normal multi-viewer, what we can see right here, seeing multiple sources, and it's something that AVPro has specialized in for a long time, putting multiple images on one screen. But now we have an app, so we're really excited about this. So if I go into my app right here, I can switch this in a heartbeat to showing a 2x2 with the 4 different sources individualized here, all on top of my app that comes free with our MV41. So why do you want this? Well, if you have it's sports seasons. You got 4 football games happening at the same time. And right now, all those football games are on Amazon Prime and Paramount Plus. How are you gonna watch all of that at the same time? Oh, you get a multi-viewer. Now I can watch all of those games at one time, but now it's like, dude, we're in the red zone, Dolphins are about to score, what are we gonna do? Oh, let's throw that up larger. So then we can have our TV switch into different modes. So then I can have one big screen and 3 smaller ones. I can have that red zone image pull up and show all the way across. And that is endless opportunities on how do you configure that, but truly making a great experience through audio, video, signaling, combining all of these sources and configuring them how you want. And that's the AVPro Edge way. And what I'm here to show you is something that's very unique and cool. It's a little box that you will never see when being installed because it'll be hidden, but this little box converts the signals from your streaming apps like Disney Plus, Netflix, and Amazon Prime, and it'll de-embeds that audio into a Dante audio signal that you can route throughout your entire house. So what we're doing here is we're showing the 5th element. That audio from the 5th element is going into this box right here and being converted to Dante. So then this category cable right here is actually running the entire Dante system to our larger amplifiers that can then be routed throughout an entire home. The ETV is what we're calling it, and this ER to Dante audio converter can really be a game changer for your next installation. For more information, visit audiocontrolpro.com.